3124 Clamdigger Lane. So we have the screen door here. Bluish gray walls. This tile at the entrance is different than this tile in the sunken living area. I would recommend changing out the blinds to vertical blinds. So that's 3, 4, 5, 6. I don't know why I couldn't find the light switch in here. There's a little gate to block off the AC. That might be to prevent animals. Oh, sorry. Okay, so we're at 6 windows. These are painted to match the kitchen. It's kind of an interesting style. I definitely like gray. So get some closet door guides on here. They painted over those, that's fine. Those are really cheap, easy to replace, or you can just leave it. That's a 7th window. 8th window, and this is at the front of the house. The missing baseboard is just because of the closet door. And you have like kind of not the best paint job, which you can see in various places. 7, 8. Walk-through laundry room to get to the garage. And it looks like they have a 3-prong plug for the dryer. Okay. I got some closet door guides on here as well, both closets. These have the inset blinds, and obviously the pet door. It's $165 to replace that fan. You can also replace a barn door. You can buy it for about $200 on the cheap end and have it installed for not much if you want to replace that. This is a frosted window, so it doesn't need a blind. So we're still at 8 windows, and we have an interesting light fixture, $200 to replace that. Take this off. Might want to repaint the whole house. This is frosted as well, so you don't need a blind. You could recaulk this, have it all looking pretty. $65 to replace that drain at the bottom. Stone counters in the same painted cabinets. You can replace those lights as well. Okay.